If you are a pastor or a church leader looking to increase the reach and engagement of your church's digital strategy, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share the 4 best types of ads that you can run as a church to increase visibility, to have families planning their visit to church each and every weekend, and then just increase overall engagement. So whether this is your first time being introduced to church ads or you are a veteran, these are my 4 favorite types of ads to use. So let's dive in. First up is the church or ministry tour ad. Now, this one is all about showing off your space. It is nerve-wracking to visit a church for the first time. So whether you have this video already on your website or you need to record one this upcoming Sunday, give them a tour of your community. This can be a walkthrough of the kids' classrooms. This can be what it looks like to drive up and come for a first Sunday at X, Y, and Z church. Pull back the curtain and let them see what it's like on a Sunday. Show them your sanctuary, your kids' classrooms, the coffee bar, the next steps tent, whatever it would look like. Ease the feelings of worry and anxiety for people, and then create an ad and push that church tour ad out there to increase visibility. Again, relieve pressure or nerves for people visiting church for the first time. And with any type of ad, you will hear this throughout this video, create a call to action. So at the end of the ad, say, we'd love to see you this Sunday at 9:30 and 11. Just click the button below and you can fill out that form. Or maybe you guys link that button to your website where they can plan their visit and see some more information about your church service. My encouragement for this one is make it personal, make it warm, make it like you're having a cup of coffee with someone and then you're just showing them the church. It's easy for people to know what's gimmicky and what's authentic. So make sure it comes off authentic and then create that ad in your local neighborhood and then push it out with this church or ministry tour. That is ad type number 1. It is highly, highly effective. The second type of ad that you could push out are event promos. Now, I live in Idaho. There is a church on almost every corner. It is November, mid-November in 2024, and I think every single church just had a fall festival or a harvest festival. Events are a great way to engage the community, but if people don't already follow you on your website or social media, they're not going to know about it, maybe unless they drive by and see a sign. So ads are a great way to increase your reach and visibility for Christmas service, Easter celebration, a youth camp, a VBS, whatever it is. Event promos are highly, highly effective and important when it comes to Facebook and Instagram ads. Create a short, exciting video or a carousel of photos with the who, the what, the when, the why, the how, the where. Just give them basic information. For example, look at this ad. Join us for our Christmas Eve service on December 24th at 6 p.m. It's a night of hope, music, and joy, and this event is designed for the entire family, so please bring your kiddos. We can't wait to host you. It's something warm, it's something simple, add some emojis, make it feel real like you would be texting them an invite, but this is crucial. Here is a pro tip. You can use urgency language like a countdown or limited space or limited availability or RSVP today before time runs out. Something that builds some urgency, sometimes psychologically, that as they're watching the ad, that gets them to click the learn more, they can register for the event. I have seen churches with maybe 100 people who normally come on Sundays that see 400 to 500 people come to a fall festival or a Christmas parade or something like that. So it's a great way to engage the community. Make sure to get signups so that after you can be intentional with follow-up with everybody that comes. So that's ad type number 2, promotion of those events. Ad type number 3, and this is a powerful one. You probably already post clips of the sermons from your pastoral team Sunday to Sunday. You probably already post those on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. What if you took one that has done really well, has had a lot of comments and engagement, and put some money behind it in an ad? So this third type is promoting a sermon clip or a sermon reel out on Facebook and Instagram. If you think about all the amazing messages that your team shares week in, week out, maybe there was one that had a particular clip of a story or a testimony or some powerful quote or something like that. Have that clip with some money behind it and promote it out there, again with a call to action. These short, engaging videos do really well on social media platforms. They are dynamic, they are creative, they stop the scroll, and they have a hook in the beginning, draw people in. And if your description and kind of call to action for them to learn more about the church is on point, this will again be highly effective. This is one that is simple because you probably already have the content. You can do this week in, week out, maybe have a bunch of different clips, create an ad set, batch them out, have multiple ones on Facebook and Instagram, be able to promote what's going on a Sunday morning with the pastor preaching, sharing again a story or testimony, and then people can be invited to your website or a forum to be able to learn more about the church. This one's easy. Throw it up there with captions, make sure it looks creative, make sure it looks authentic, and then push it out as an ad. And finally, number 4, this is kind of the plan your visit or personal invite one. This is one that our team helps churches utilize to be able to see 5 to 7 families on average come each and every weekend. So what this looks like is you can take your iPhone as a pastor, or maybe you're a volunteer on the church and someone takes a video of you, but this is you giving an invite to someone to come to church. It's really simple. Hey, my name's Keaton. I am an associate pastor here at XYZ Church. We really prioritize community and family and services that happen on Sundays, but also groups that happen during the week. If you just moved into the neighborhood and you haven't found a home church, we would love to host you this weekend at either our 9:30 or 11 o'clock service. I have 2 toddlers. They love the kids ministry. We have a powerful youth service as well during the adult service. So come early for coffee and donuts. Find me. I would love to say hi to you. And you can just click the link below and plan your visit. There you go. You can tell I've done this before, but if you have to take a couple of takes, great, but put yourself in front of your iPhone, make it feel real and authentic, not too many filters, maybe some captions, and then a call to action for them to plan their visit and let them know you'll be in touch with them. You'll text or email them before the service as a reminder, and that you'll see them on that Sunday, or your usher or greeter team will be prepped to host them that Sunday. So we have seen this, again, highly effective, but families are planning their visits. They're looking for church homes. If they already have one, push them to that church. We're not trying to steal people, but if they don't, you can kind of get some more visibility by an ad and money behind it. With this one, the bread and butter here is that they can plan their visit and you're following up with them before and after that church service. So that's highly, highly important to this whole strategy. A church or ministry tour, promotion of those events, maybe a clip from a sermon, and then a personal invite for them to plan their visit. This adds variety and dynamic to what you guys are doing through a paid strategy digitally. Now, here's an invitation to you. If you have never touched Facebook or Instagram ads before, and you don't even know where to begin, I created a basic beginner's walkthrough on how to create Instagram and Facebook ads with these 4 types. So it's in the description below, snag it today. You can watch it 20 or 30 minutes and you will then be an expert on how to run ads for your church, increase the reach, have families coming and finding a new home church and community, and being able to do that creatively week in, week out with these 4 types of ads. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe and share it. I'm just gonna be creating content and helping pastors and leaders grow. There's a lot to this digital age and digital strategy of church, but ads are part of that new frontier. So I'm hoping that this is beneficial to you. The walkthrough is linked below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.